Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to show you the safest way to clean your cabinets. I don't know if you do it all the time. We don't do it all the time, but we did notice that when my grandbaby was here, her high chair sits here, and there ends up being spots of different food that end up on our cabinets. So this is really easy to do. It's a quick do-it-yourself. You don't have to buy those other chemicals and stuff that you have no idea what's in it at all. All you're going to need is a little bit of water, a couple drips of Dawn dish soap. It takes off so much, and grease, of course. And you're going to need 2 microfiber cloths, one for drying and one for actually doing your washing. And so all you really need to do is get that microfiber cloth in there, get it wet. Now again, you don't want this sopping wet. You can use and do this on painted cabinets or wood cabinets and that sort of thing. You want to wring it as much dry as you can. You just want it to be damp so you can get some of the spots and things off of it. So you're going to do that. And you might need a little, depending on how your cabinets are, you might need a little brush to get some of those cracks and crevices, but use something very soft like maybe an old toothbrush or something along those lines. And then you have to maybe use a little elbow grease depending on how much you have for spots. Now, again, you don't want your cabinets sopping wet. You want to make sure that they stay pretty dry, and then you should only really maybe do a couple of the doors, and I'm doing the bottom doors here right now. Do a couple at a time. That's it. And then once you get it done, you're going to take your drying microfiber cloth and you're going to dry them up. And so that's really it. I mean, at the end of the day, this isn't a lot of complicatedness, but it's the safest way to do it. There's no chemicals involved. It's just work. So there's no expensive chemicals needed. There's not a lot of things that you need to do with it. Basically, you can see it's just an easy, quick process. And obviously, you're not going to do this all the time, but when you want to do this and you have it by, like, over by our dishwasher, you know, sometimes you splash a little bit and get some extra stuff outside the dishwasher. That's one that we do quite a bit. But these over here, unless my little granddaughter's here, we don't have to do it very often. But you can see this is really easy. Again, a couple drips of Dawn, little warm water, nothing super hot, nothing really crazy, and 2 microfiber cloths, one for washing, one for drying, and that's it. So subscribe to my channel. Super thanks is always welcome. If you're looking for the safest way to clean your cabinets really quickly and not do any damage to them, this is the way to do it.